In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Klaviyo's platform to jumpstart your email marketing campaigns. Whether you are a seasoned marketer or someone just looking to dip your toes into email marketing for the first time, Klaviyo offers a straightforward way to leverage data to drive your campaigns forward. By the end of this guide, you'll feel comfortable accessing Klaviyo, navigating to your campaigns, and getting started on creating compelling email marketing initiatives. First things first, we'll begin by heading over to Klaviyo's platform. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to sign up. This will give you access to all the powerful features Klaviyo offers. After logging in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your email marketing activities, analyze data, and create engaging campaigns. Now that you've reached the dashboard, let's focus on accessing the campaign section. It's important to note that Klaviyo organizes its email content here, giving you all the tools you need to craft and send your message. To find this section, look at the menu. It should be listed there clearly. Clicking on Campaigns will take you to a new page where you'll see an overview of any past campaigns you've run and options to create new ones. Creating a campaign in Klaviyo is intuitive. Once you're in the Campaign section, you'll see an option to create a new campaign. By selecting this, you open up a variety of choices in terms of email types, templates, and settings that you can tweak to suit your needs. The beauty of Klaviyo is its data-driven best practices. As you set up your email, you can input customer data, which allows Klaviyo to give recommendations on how to enhance your campaign's effectiveness based on behavior patterns and preferences. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned the essentials of getting started with Klaviyo. Just a few simple steps and you're ready to build campaigns that will engage your audience. Klaviyo's platform is designed to grow with your business, offering more advanced functionalities like segmentation, automated emails, and robust analytics as you become more confident and your needs expand. While we've covered the basics today, remember that there are plenty of resources available should you wish to dive deeper into what Klaviyo has to offer. Their help center, community forums, and webinars are fantastic ways to continually refine your email marketing strategy. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide useful and that it empowers you to take your email marketing to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on more insightful guides like this one. Happy emailing!